This is Deep Cove View, and today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. We are going to be taking you step by step. First, we'll do the dry ingredients. You need 2 cups flour. Put it into the bowl. 1 teaspoon baking soda. And it says half a teaspoon salt, but I just like to put in a little bit. Then, what you have to do is mix it all together. Now, set it off to the side. Finished the first step, the dry ingredients, we can move on to the second step. First, get 1 cup butter and put it into the bowl. This is margarine, but that will do too. Then, get a half a cup sugar. Put that into the bowl too. After that, put in 3/4 cup brown sugar. Make sure not to get the white sugar cup and the brown sugar cup mixed up. Make sure it's firmly pressed down so you get the right amount. 1, 2, 3. After we're done that, we're going to put 1 egg into the bowl. Our last step for this second part of the recipe is 2½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. I like to put in the right amount because it makes it taste very good. This is a half cup. And I don't mind putting in a little more because I love the taste in cookies. Then, what you're going to do is put the blender on. After a little while of mixing, we're going to turn it off and scrape all the edges to make sure every ingredient can get in. Scrape the edges. Now we're done step 2. Now that we are done step 2, we are going to move on to step 3, combining the 2 mixes. So we are going to dump the dry mixture into this mixture. Once all of it's in, turn on the blender. But don't put it on a high level because then all the flour will come out. Once it's a little mixed in, you can turn it a little higher. Now we can this. Once it gets that doughy texture that we like for cookies, we can turn off the blender. This looks like a good step is to take this off because we are going to fold in the chocolate chips. Now we are going to put in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Around. We just have the chocolate chips in the bowl. So we are going to fold the dough over the chocolate chips. It's a good idea not to use the blender, but if you would like, you can. The chocolate chips are all mixed in. We're going to put it on the cookie tray. Now that I've placed almost all the cookies on the cookie tray, we're going to put them in the oven. I've used a tablespoon to put the cookies on the tray because it makes the cookies all about the same size, and a great size too. We're on for around 10 to 12 minutes. Cookies are done cooking. Let them cool for about 5 minutes, then enjoy them.